Hello friends! Today we're going to make our own Scribble character puppet. Are you ready? All you need are 2 wiggly eyes, some white glue, and as many pipe cleaners as you want. The more pipe cleaners you have, the bigger your scribble will be. So push those to the side and we'll just grab one, and we're just going to start by making it into a glorious mess like that. Now we can take a yellow one maybe, and then press them together. Pick a different color and twist them up together. And you can make them as tight or as big as you want. If you want to squeeze it together like that, you can, or you can pull them out like that. And just keep adding on to it. You can do coils. Whoop. You can do zigzags. Maybe a big swirl. Whatever you think a scribble would look like. If you had crayons in your hand, what kind of things would you be doing with your crayon? Would you be swirling it around in circles or zigzag, jaggedy marks? Maybe going through some lines and coming out the other side. I think I really like these swirly ones. And just tuck them in so they catch on each other. And they can stick out. Or you can tuck all the ends in. It's up to you. I'm going to stick some through, kind of like threading it. See what the other side looks like. I'm going to fast forward through this, but if you want to pause it to create yours, you're welcome to do that. Have fun. I've kept 4 for my arms and legs. So you can attach them wherever you want. You can make them all the same color or different colors. We're just going to loop it in somewhere in. And pull it through the other side, and then we're going to twist it together so that it doesn't come apart. We don't want them to fall out. Maybe this one will be the arm. Just sticking it underneath some cleaners. Same thing over here. And the good thing about these is if you accidentally squish them, you can just bend them back into whatever shape you want. Next, we are going to put on our googly eyes, and you can put them on wherever you like. If you have trouble getting them to stick, you can always ask a grown-up to use a stronger glue like a glue gun. Always ask for help. Whoop. So flip the googly eye over, put some glue on there, and I'm going to attach it where it's touching more than one pipe cleaner so that it gets a really good attachment. And press that on. So it's on more than one pipe cleaner so that it'll have a really good adherence there. And then we'll do the second one. And you can put more than two googly eyes if you want. You can make your scribble character look however you want. And once that's dry, you can play with your scribble character. Next, you can bend or twist up his arms and legs. And just bend the end a little bit so he's got a little bit of a hand. So your googly character has some hands and some feet. Have fun, friends!